Hi, and welcome to a Levland Media mini-clip. This video is part 1 of 9 of our introduction to assistive technology.
We'd love you to subscribe so we can let you know when new content is uploaded. Feel free to give us a thumbs up or down, and leave us a comment to suggest ideas and topics for future videos.
In this video we will take a look at a selection of our external and internal automated doors. First, an external door. From inside, this outward opening external door is activated by a non-contact sensor switch on the wall. Waving your hand over the switch makes the door unlock and then motor open, where it pauses for a programmable amount of time, before closing and relocking automatically. The electronic lock is installed inside the door leaf during manufacture of the door unit. Next, let's take a look at some of our automated internal swing doors.
We can automate standard, heavy and fire duty doors. Fire door automation offers spring closing with powered opening. We can automate double solid or glazed timber doors with or without a rebate. We provide powered opening and closing with battery backup. This also applies to double doors with a hoist transfer track running through the header frame as shown here.
Now a quick look at our sliding doors. We can automate glass panel or solid timber doors. They can be used to provide more space on the inside of a room and allow a wider access than a swing door would normally offer. Various activation methods can be used, such as overhead sensors or wall switches. Battery backup is fitted as standard, allowing the door to motor open in the event of mains power failure or link with a fire alarm.
Our range of automated doors can be triggered to open from different technologies. This could be a simple mechanical wall switch, a non-contact wall sensor, or by tapping a button on our app. We can design the app to have a different layout and look, to match the theme of the project.
You can find out more at our website, levland.com, but consider the following points as a minimum. Before installing door automation for your project, let's nail down some important details. How heavy is the door you're going to automate? What material is it to be made from, and what locking system will be required? Does the lock and access system need to meet secure by design requirements? How does the customer want to open the door from each side, such as app control, non-contact wall switch, prox token? Is the door a fire door, requiring spring closing, battery backup, or hold open in the event of a fire? Will it need to be linked to a fire alarm system?
Levland. We integrate. We automate. We make your environment work for you. You can read or write a review of us on Free Index, an independent business website. Subscribing really helps our channel to grow, so we can bring you more content in the future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out other videos in this series.